Welcome to our journey through the major arcana of the tarot. Today we'll embark on a story that brings each card to life, starting with the Fool and traveling through all 22 cards. Let's begin our tale. Our journey starts with the Fool, a young adventurer standing on the edge of a cliff, ready to step into the unknown. The Fool symbolizes new beginnings, innocence, and taking a leap of faith. He carries minimal baggage, representing a free spirit unburdened by the past. The world is full of possibilities, and the Fool is eager to explore them. As the Fool takes his first steps, he encounters the Magician, a master of all elements. The Magician represents manifestation, resourcefulness, and power. He teaches the Fool that he has all the tools he needs within himself to create his reality. With focus and determination, anything is possible. Moving forward, the Fool meets the High Priestess, the guardian of the subconscious and hidden knowledge. She sits between two pillars, representing the balance between darkness and light. The High Priestess urges the Fool to trust his intuition and explore the mysteries of his inner world. Card 3. The Empress. The Fool's journey leads him to the Empress, a figure of abundance, fertility, and nurturing. Surrounded by nature's bounty, the Empress symbolizes creativity and the beauty of the natural world. She teaches the Fool the importance of nurturing his dreams and the power of creation. Card 4. The Emperor. Next, the Fool meets the Emperor, a symbol of authority, structure, and stability. Sitting on a throne adorned with rams, the Emperor represents leadership and order. He shows the Fool the value of discipline and the importance of creating a solid foundation in life. Card 5. The Hierophant. The Fool then encounters the Hierophant, a wise teacher and spiritual guide. The Hierophant represents tradition, conformity, and spiritual wisdom. He encourages the Fool to seek knowledge and understand the importance of community and shared beliefs. Card 6. The Lovers. On his path, the Fool discovers the Lovers, symbolizing love, harmony, and choices. This card reflects the importance of relationships and the bonds that connect us. The Lovers teach the Fool about the power of union and the significance of making choices from the heart. Card 7. The Chariot. Continuing his journey, the Fool meets the Chariot, a symbol of victory, determination, and willpower. Pulled by two sphinxes, the Chariot represents the balance of opposing forces. The charioteer shows the Fool that with focus and perseverance, he can overcome any obstacle. Card 8. Strength. The Fool then encounters Strength, depicted as a woman calmly taming a lion. Strength represents courage, inner power, and compassion. She teaches the Fool that true strength comes from within, and that gentleness can be more powerful than force. Card 9. The Hermit. Next, the Fool meets the Hermit, an old sage holding a lantern. The Hermit symbolizes introspection, solitude, and inner guidance. He shows the Fool the value of taking time for self-reflection and seeking wisdom from within. Card 10. The Wheel of Fortune. As the Fool continues, he encounters the Wheel of Fortune, representing cycles, fate, and change. The wheel reminds the Fool that life is full of ups and downs, and that embracing change is crucial for growth. It teaches him to go with the flow and trust in the process of life. Card 11. Justice. The Fool then meets Justice, who holds a scale and a sword. Justice represents fairness, truth, and law. She teaches the Fool about the importance of balance and accountability. reminding him that every action has consequences. Card 12, the Hanged Man. The Fool's journey leads him to the Hanged Man, suspended upside down. The Hanged Man symbolizes surrender, perspective, and letting go. He shows the Fool that sometimes, to move forward, we must first pause and see things from a different angle. Card 13, Death. Next, the Fool encounters Death, a figure often misunderstood. Death represents transformation, endings, and new beginnings. It teaches the Fool that letting go of the old makes way for the new, and that change is a natural part of life. Card 14, Temperance. The Fool then meets Temperance, an angelic figure blending two liquids. Temperance symbolizes balance, moderation, and harmony. She teaches the Fool the importance of patience and the value of finding middle ground. Card 15, the Devil. Continuing his path, the Fool encounters the Devil, a figure representing bondage, temptation, and materialism. The Devil shows the Fool the dangers of being trapped by earthly desires and fears, encouraging him to break free and reclaim his power. The Fool's journey leads him to the Tower, struck by lightning and crumbling. The Tower symbolizes sudden change, upheaval, and revelation. It teaches the Fool that sometimes structures must fall apart to make way for new growth and understanding. Card 17, the Star. Next, the Fool encounters the Star, a symbol of hope, inspiration, and renewal. The Star guides the Fool to trust in his dreams and to believe in the possibilities of the future. She teaches him the power of faith and the importance of staying true to his aspirations. Card 18, the Moon. The Fool then meets the Moon, representing illusion, intuition, and the subconscious. The Moon teaches the Fool to navigate through uncertainty and to trust his instincts. It reminds him that not everything is as it seems, and to look beyond the surface. Card 19, the Sun. The Fool's journey brings him to the sun, a symbol of joy, success, and vitality. The sun shines brightly, filling the Fool with energy and optimism. It teaches him the power of positivity and the importance of celebrating life's achievements. Card 20, Judgment. Next, the Fool encounters Judgment, depicted with an angel calling souls to rise. Judgment represents awakening, reflection, and rebirth. It teaches the Fool to evaluate his past actions, learn from them, and embrace a new chapter with a clear conscience. Card 21, the World. Finally, the Fool reaches the world, a figure surrounded by a laurel wreath. The world symbolizes completion, fulfillment, and wholeness. It marks the end of the Fool's journey, celebrating his growth and the wisdom he has gained. And so, the Fool's journey through the Major Arcana comes to an end. Each card has taught him valuable lessons, guiding him towards enlightenment and self-discovery. May your own journey through the tarot be equally enlightening and transformative. Thank you for joining us, and may your path be filled with wisdom and wonder. Don't forget to subscribe for more tarot insights and join us on this mystical adventure. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep believing in the magic of the tarot.